Beautiful Tuesday morning here in Old Town, Florida. My favorite place to come. And I just like to just sit, look at the Swanee River. Good spot to clear your head. And I love the view. People come to Florida, they want to go to the beach and things like that. No, I love to come here because it's so peaceful, extremely very quiet. Must not have had a lot of rain lately because the water's pretty low and calm. Yeah, the water's really low. Wow. It's usually higher than this. It was a lot higher when I was here last time in April. That's for sure. Wow, look at that. Wonder how deep this is. It's beautiful is all I can say. What about this? Oh, what was that? And of course, when I'm looking, it's nothing. Something moves around in the water. I can't see where the sun is through all the clouds. But yes, this is my favorite spot to be. They have benches on each side to sit down, to enjoy, relax. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain, but I looked on the weather and it's not showing a single cloud either. But you're in Florida, so hey, you never know. Pigeons! No pooping on my head, pigeons. Ooh, there's a big spider. But I can't zoom in because the sun's in my eyes. In recognition of Capital City Bank for its significant contributions to the Nature Coast Trail in Florida. There you go. Yeah, this trail goes for miles once you go across either way. It's getting dark. Looks like I might have to start making my way back. I don't want to be caught in no rain.